Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to post anonymously on Facebook groups. There's a new feature for Meta, a lot of people don't know about it, but you can actually publish your questions or answers or any particular post in any group on Facebook simply by clicking on this button. Let's launch Facebook, let's go through the groups. For example, if we're over here on this group, as you can see, on the top menu, you have something that is calling anonymous post, okay? So essentially, you can click on this and you will be able anonymously to post anything in the group, including this will hide your name, including your profile picture, everything. It will just show up like anonymous question from anonymous group member, right? Details you include in the anonymous post could reveal your identity. This simply means that, if you say I am this from this city, I'm looking for that, and a lot of people might actually connect the dots. So you have to be very careful what information you're posting. Even though your profile will be hidden as an anonymous person, it's still going to be or could be revealed if some of the people actually know you or recognize you. Okay, be very careful. As you can see over here, when you click over here, you can publish anything that you want, and this is how your profile will appear. Your profile picture will be replaced with this, like a hat with shades, and your username will be replaced with anonymous member. And this is how you post anonymously on Facebook groups. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.